The new year is here, and it's time to talk about trends. Here are the 5 defining interior design trends for 2023. Hello, I'm Melissa Welsh, interior designer and lover of all things DIY. My passion is sharing what I've learned and spilling all the secrets to help you create a home that you love. You can learn more about me, get free resources, and see my online courses at WelshDesignStudio.com. Also, please hit the subscribe button down below so you can follow along and be the first to know when new videos are posted. Some people like to choose a goal word or phrase to manifest or define their year ahead, so let's roll with that. When it comes to interior design trends for 2023, the key word to define the year is going to be personality. Before we start, let me dispel the myth that I'm a designer who thinks that everyone should follow trends. The most important thing to remember is that it's your home, and you should decorate it however you want. If you love these trends and can't wait to incorporate them into your home, that's great. If you despise these trends, no problem. That's what the comments are for. It's so much more important to focus your efforts on creating a home that you love and that reflects your personality than it is to follow the trends. Now, if you want a house that looks great regardless of new trends that come and go, I have another video that you might enjoy called 10 Tips for Timeless Decorating. So go check that out. All right, let's move on to the trends. Trend number 1 is more vibrant color. Last year, we started to see more color emerge in design with soft, soothing hues. It was all about rejuvenation and serenity. For 2023, we'll continue to see color come back into every room in a much more vibrant way. Neutrals will start to be replaced with more cheerful and expressive jewel tone colors as people start to inject more personality into their homes. I predict we'll start to see more colorful accent walls, lots of painted cabinetry, and lots of warm, earthy colors used on the walls. This is Benjamin Moore's color of the year, Raspberry Blush. Now, it's not for everyone, but for those of you who like to go bold with color, you're going to be on trend in 2023. The key to this trend is to add some contrast and some vibrancy to your home, and showcase your personality with your favorite colors. In general, neutrals are still going to be very popular, but try to amp up the color on your bedroom walls, or add a dramatic wallpaper, or even swap out your neutral pillows for colorful ones that will make you feel more energized. Trend number 2 is unique furnishings. With the trend toward adding more personality into our homes, cookie-cutter furniture that everyone can buy just isn't going to cut it. The emphasis in 2023 will be on furniture that has a unique shape or some unique detail to it. This means pieces that look like they are antiques or made by a master craftsman, or pieces that have a fun shape or ornate design details. This trend is all about high quality, variety, subtle variations from what is expected, and self-expression by you and by your furniture. Trend number 3 is that traditional styles are making a comeback. After a decade of modern and minimalist styles taking the lead, there is a movement toward much more traditional and ornate styles in the works. Designers and homeowners are wanting more character and more detail in their homes, so you'll start to see design elements from the past reemerge. Details like arches, alcoves, unique furniture shapes, built-ins, and custom millwork will be very popular. In fact, you'll start to see traditional style, shown here, making a comeback, with some of its key elements being rich, luxurious materials, dark wood furniture, and that detailed millwork. Art Deco's curved shapes and geometric patterns and its vibrant colors were getting popular in 2022, and they're going to continue to be on trend in 2023. And aspects of grand millennial style, like the combining of antiques with more modern elements and bold patterns, will also be sticking around this year. Trend number 4 is rich wood features. One of the trends that I am most excited about this year is the resurgence of wood details. These timeless features add so much character to a home and are a great way to make a statement in any room. Now, we started to see wood cabinetry come back into style over the last 2 years with beautiful modern white oak kitchen cabinets and bath vanities, but now we're going to start to see wood returning to walls, ceilings, and even trim. You can expect to see intricate feature walls like this gorgeous office fireplace surround show up in designer homes this year. Highlighting the beauty of wood tends to align with more traditional styles of design, which is just more evidence that these styles will be making a comeback. If you're lucky enough to have a craftsman home with details like in the picture on the right, you are all set for 2023. Trend number 5 is colorful kitchens. The all-white kitchen trend has been phasing out over the last several years. In 2023, you can expect to see colorful cabinetry take center stage. You'll see cabinets painted in soft sage greens, blue grays, warm off-whites, and even some bold teals. You'll also be seeing a ton of kitchens that combine painted and wood cabinetry or wood features. Wood cabinets are also continuing to come back into the mainstream. However, those dated orange honey oak cabinets that you have from the 1980s and 90s are not coming back into fashion. So sorry if you have those, they're not coming back, they never will. Today's wood cabinets have clean, modern lines and much more muted tones to them. So that wraps up the 5 defining trends for 2023. Want to learn more about how to decorate your home like an interior design pro? You just need to know a few key secrets and tips, and then you'll be having your friends and family asking you for decorating advice. Head on over to my website and get started with one of my free resources. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment. I really do love hearing from you. Bye for now.